Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Madam Rides the Bus together, step by step. Today we read Madam Rides the Bus by Vallikkannan. It is about an 8-year-old girl named Valli, called Valli, who is full of curiosity. Her greatest wish is to ride the bus that passes by her village, and how she fulfills it. Valli watches the bus pass by every day and longs to travel on it. She quietly saves 60 paise and carefully learns the fare and timings. One afternoon, while her mother is asleep, she boards the bus alone for a 1-hour ride to town and back. On the bus, a friendly conductor jokingly calls her Madam. Valli enjoys the beautiful green fields and canals. She proudly refuses help from others, wanting to be independent. On the return trip, she is saddened to see the same cow she had admired earlier, now lying dead on the road. Valli is a curious, confident, and independent little girl with a strong sense of dignity. The conductor is cheerful and kind. An elderly passenger tries to befriend her, but Valli keeps her distance. Through it all, Valli's adventurous spirit shines brightly. The story celebrates a child's curiosity, courage, and longing for independence. Valli's joyful ride is touched by the sight of the dead cow, teaching her that life holds both happiness and sorrow. Her small adventure becomes a step toward growing up and understanding the world. Let us learn some new words. Conductor, the person who collects fares on a bus. Elated, feeling very happy and excited. Fascinated, strongly attracted and interested. And dignity, a sense of self-respect. To recap, little Valli saves her money and bravely takes a solo bus ride to fulfill her dream. She delights in the journey but is saddened by the sight of a dead cow. The story beautifully captures childhood curiosity, courage, and the bittersweet lessons of life. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.